Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix a lagging iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings application. Scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Scroll down the accessibility page and then click on touch. Locate and click on assistive touch and then turn on assistive touch. Then you should see this button on your assistive touch page. Now once turn on assistive touch, come to where you see single tap, click on that and then select open menu. Now once you press and hold it or once you touch it, it's going to open the menu. Then go back. Now to fix your lagging iPhone, press the volume up button once, the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button. So this will help you to fix your iPhone if it is lagging without turning off or restarting your iPhone. Volume up, volume down, then press and hold the power button. Then once you see select power off, tap the assistive touch button and then go ahead and click on home. Type in your iPhone passcode. Then you should see your lagging iPhone now running faster. Another way you can use to fix a lagging iPhone is to press the volume up button, volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until the iPhone is turned off and then turned on again. But with this, using the assistive touch button, you can easily fix your lagging iPhone without restarting your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.